Today, we're going to explore Timberline and Government Camp. Come join us.
On the southern slopes of Oregon's Mount Hood, two destinations stand as enduring symbols of resilience, craftsmanship, and alpine charm: Timberline Lodge and the village of Government Camp. Together, they weave a story that blends history, community, and adventure, inviting visitors to step into a landscape where past and present meet beneath the shadows of Oregon's tallest peak. Timberline Lodge is more than a mountain retreat. It is a living monument to American perseverance. Constructed in 1937 as part of President Franklin D. Roosevelt's Work Progress Administration, the lodge was built during the depths of the Great Depression. More than 500 workers, including artisans, stonemasons, and carpenters, poured their skill into its creation. Local stone, massive timbers, and hand-forged iron became the raw materials of a rustic masterpiece. When Roosevelt dedicated Timberline Lodge, he praised it as a monument to the skill and faithful performance of workers. That spirit remains visible today in the handcrafted furnishings, WPA-era artwork, and the Cascadian architecture that defines the lodge. Declared a National Historic Landmark in 1977, Timberline has become one of Oregon's most beloved destinations, welcoming nearly 2 million visitors each year. Beyond its historic charm, Timberline is famous for its year-round skiing, the longest ski season in the United States. From summer ski camps to winter powder, the slopes attract athletes and families alike. Inside, guests are greeted by roaring fireplaces, hearty meals, and even the lodge resident St. Bernards, who embody its tradition of warmth and hospitality. The lodge also gained pop culture fame, cementing its place in cinematic history. What was a hit movie that was filmed at Timberline Lodge, known in the movie as the Overlook Hotel, and who were the leading actor and actress in that film? Please put your answers in the comments. Just below Timberline lies Government Camp. Its name dates back to 1849 when U.S. cavalry troops abandoned wagons along the Barlow Road section of the Oregon Trail. What began as a rugged stopover has grown into Mount Hood's alpine village, perched at nearly 4,000 feet elevation. Government Camp serves as a gateway to Timberline Lodge and nearby ski resorts such as Mount Hood Ski Bowl. In winter, the town buzzes with skiers, snowboarders, and snowshoers. In the summer, it transforms into a hub for hiking, mountain biking, and kayaking, with Trillium Lake and the Mount Hood Adventure Park offering family-friendly recreation. The village itself exudes Bavarian charm, with chalet-style lodges, cozy inns, and welcoming restaurants. Longtime favorites include the Ratskeller, serving legendary pizzas since 1938, and Mount Hood Brewing Company, where ales brewed with glacial water capture the essence of the mountain. Government Camp is not just a stopover, it's a community that thrives on the rhythm of the seasons, offering both adventure and relaxation. Together, Timberline Lodge and Government Camp embody the spirit of Mount Hood. Timberline represents the artistry and resilience of Depression-era America, while Government Camp reflects the enduring vitality of a mountain community. Both places invite visitors to experience history not as something distant, but as something alive, woven into the slopes, the architecture, and the traditions that continue today. Whether you come to ski the year-round slopes, hike alpine trails, or simply sit by a fire and gaze at the mountain, Timberline Lodge and Government Camp offer more than recreation. They offer connection to history, to community, and to the timeless beauty of Oregon's high country.
We hope you've enjoyed our video. If you like our video, give us a like or a comment, or subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you on our team. Once again, thanks for watching Senior Snoops.